welcome to the video. Today we are going to look at 10 awesome enhancements in system.io. Let's get started. Alright, I am inside of my system school. Let's start with all the enhancements to communities. So the first announcement is the adding links to comments in communities is now easier, and you can see here how it was before and how it is now. Let me show you how this works in action. So I'm inside of my community here. So I'm going to head over to one of my communities inside of system, and let's just create a new post here inside of this community. And I have my post created. Now to add that link, what I can do is just highlight the text, click the link icon and add in my link. So that's the first enhancement to communities in system. The next one is that now you can upload audio files to your communities. So back to our community. For this specific post, if I wanted to add an audio file to it, I would click this audio icon. It'll open up your file explorer, and then you can simply add an audio file in here. When you are adding an audio file, one thing to note that the file size limit is 15 MB. So here's my uploaded audio file. You can see there's an audio icon here to show that I've uploaded an audio file. And then the final enhancements to communities is the ability to insert a GIF into your post. Let me show you how easy it is to add that. Back inside of my community post, I can click the little GIF icon, and then here you can just type a keyword to search your GIF. So I'm going to type in my keyword, pick a GIF, and with that I can add my post. Now you can see there's an audio file connected to my post. There's a link connected with my community post, and then if I click show more, you will also be able to see the GIF. So those are the 3 updates for the communities. Next, let's move on to digital stores. So for the digital stores, the announcement and the latest update is that you can now run automations inside your digital store. Let me show you how that works. So back in my system school, if I go to websites and go to digital stores, you will see that I have a template store here. So a couple of things to note, that the automations that are enhanced in the digital stores don't run on digital products. So this is a digital product. So if I go here, this is what it looks like. If I click the buy button, here's the template that I'm selling, but the automations don't work here. For that, it has to be a email collection store. Now once you have the email collection store, which is this one right here, what I can do is I can go here and click on options, and under options you will see a new option called automation rules. Now here all you have to do is simply add a rule. So let's say when someone subscribes to my digital store, I want to run a specific automation, and these are all the things that are also available under funnels, under courses. So these are the different automations that you can use. So let's say if someone opts into my email newsletter, I want to apply a tag. I can select that tag here, and then I can also apply additional automations on top of that first tag. Once you're all set with your automation, you can save the rule, and now that rule is active. The next update is probably one of my favorite updates, which is the automatic course reminders. To show you this in action, what we're going to do is we are going to go back to my system school. Let's head on over to courses, and I'm going to pick this course right here, AI Blogging Mastery, and head on over to the settings for that specific course. Once you do, you will see this tiny little checkbox which says enable email reminders. So first you can choose your reminder settings. Let's say that I want to remind people who have enrolled in this course but haven't really started it, so that I can boost that engagement. So let's say we want to remind them 3 days after they enroll in the course, and let's just pick a time in the morning. And then the next thing is who should receive this reminder. So people who have not started this course, I want to send them a reminder, and I want to send them this reminder once. You can also repeat it, and you can choose how many times you want to repeat it and when it should end. So for now, I'm just going to say once. So my reminder settings are all set for now. Now I can go in here and set my reminder email. All right, I have set my reminder email. It says it's a good day to start now. And then it says, hey, first name. So I'm using the first name personalization tag. I see that you're enrolled in this course 3 days ago. However, looks like you haven't started learning AI blogging mastery yet. here's the link to log in and start learning. Then I can simply take this course link and put it in here, and this will automatically insert the link to the course that your students are enrolled in. So once I have set this up, I'm going to save, and now my reminder email is set. Now one thing that I would like to see here is the ability to do different reminder email sets, right? So I want to do it for those who have not started and those who also have it in progress, but I want to send them different reminder emails. So right now, if I do this, I'm going to have both conditions checked, but only one email going out to both conditions, which doesn't really make sense. So just keep that in mind when you're setting this, that you're choosing either or. Otherwise, the same email is going to go to both sets of groups, those who have enrolled but not started, and those who have made some progress in that course. The next one is for my Latin American users who are using System. This is great news. Now Mercado Pago is available, hopefully I said that right, as an integration, and you can collect payments using that payment method. So for that, I'm going to head over to my settings, and from settings, click on payment gateways, and you will see Mercado Pago right here. And if you hit connect, you're going to be given these fields to fill out. Now there is a really good help article that is going to walk you step by step on how to make this payment gateway integrated with your System school. So you can go check out this step-by-step walkthrough and then connect your Mercado Pago account inside of System. Now the next two pieces of updates is under the hood. The first one is the Zoom integration. System has enhanced their Zoom integration, so that is great news. Thank you again to the System team for making this the latest and greatest integration so that we get all the Zoom features inside of your System account. In order to check your Zoom integration, you can go back to your System school, click on settings, and then from settings you're going to click on integrations and connect your Zoom account right here. The next one is potentially one of my favorite ones to avoid spam. This is all under the hood, but essentially the System team has added some spam filters. So what this is there is an hourly rate limit to a single IP address trying to opt into one of your funnels or your courses. And then there's also a daily limit. So a single IP address can at max opt in 10 times a day, which obviously that makes sense, because if it's more than that, there's no one who's opting in from a single IP address to a funnel more than once a day anyways. So this makes total sense. I am so glad that the System team thought of this. This should cut down spam by a lot. The next update is around an enhanced file manager, and you can see, here's my favorite part. Deleting a file from the file manager won't affect its use on funnel pages, community posts, or other locations. So that means that you have uploaded this file somewhere and you delete the file, that link isn't going to be broken anymore. And let me show you how to get to this file manager. You can go to assets, and then from assets you're going to click on files, and here you have all your files. And what you can do is you can also choose to look for files in specific places. So let's say I want to search all my files inside of my email templates. You can see I don't have any. Now let's use an example where I know there are files, which is my communities. So I'm going to click on community and search for files, and here's my MP3 file inside of my community. You can also look for specific file types. So let's say that I want to search for all video files. I can find all my video files, and then I can click on one of them and it's going to show me a preview right here. Awesome job, System team, for adding file manager inside of our System accounts. And finally, System has made it super easy to add one-on-one bookings to our calendars. So I already have my Zoom account integrated with System. Now I've created a one-on-one booking page, and anyone who signs up through that one-on-one booking page will get this ICS file inside of their email so they can easily add it to their calendar. Let me show you this in action. All right, here's my booking page. So let's go down here and you will see my calendar right here. And let's say I make a booking for this date, and let's pick a time slot. Now here, once I put in my details, I'll show you what this looks like when I get it in my calendar. So I've submitted my booking. Now let's head on over to my Gmail account and show you what this would look like once that booking comes in. So I'm in my Google account, and from here you can see here's that email, and it comes with the download. So you can download the .ics file, or you can also RSVP from here and add it to your calendar. And there you have it. Those are the enhancements that have been launched since January of 2025 within System. Let me know which one of those are your favorite enhancements, and I can't wait to see what other enhancements System is going to launch. As a reminder, if you get your System School through my link, I'm going to throw in 20 templates that are pre-designed, ready to go, mobile friendly, and I will drop my System link below, so check it out if you haven't jumped on the System bandwagon yet. And don't forget to smash that subscribe button so you get notified next time I release a new video. Until next time, keep creating.